daddies, I am Pratiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Career Motherhood. As you all must be knowing that 1st August till 7th August is celebrated as Breastfeeding Awareness Week. It has been started by World Health Organization. Yes, right, it's WHO in line up with UNICEF. I hope you all are aware being a mother, but if not, please do be aware about all these things, because being a mother we should be aware about what's going on regarding everything regarding parenting. So breastfeeding awareness week is started by World Health Organization in 1992 in line up with UNICEF. The purpose of this is simple, just to promote breastfeeding and spread the importance and benefits of breastfeeding, not only for a mother but also for child and mother both. So every year World Health Organization does celebrate this week along with a theme, and the purpose of this year's theme, that is 2020 theme of breastfeeding awareness week, is to support breastfeeding for a healthier environment. Now, why healthier environment? As we all know that we all are going through this pandemic time of COVID-19, and it is very difficult for every mother who are not feeding their child and they're depending upon formula or any other outsourced milk. So it is very important to promote this thing of breastfeeding so that they don't have to depend on any other case. I know many challenges mothers have to face in breastfeeding, like initially baby don't latches properly or there's not sufficient milk. So in those cases, please do discuss with the doctors. They are always available online with you and they're always ready to help you, provide you proper consultancy. How can you grow your breast milk so that you can give it to your baby? So everything is possible, just you have to rely on yourself and your consultant, that's it. So the reason behind for a healthier planet is that as there is no production of formula or any other outsourced milk, so there is no wastage, no chance of any recycle bin anywhere. If they are not manufactured anywhere, there is no pollution created, there is no transportation from bringing that formula or any other outsourced milk from one place to another, no shipping cost, no packaging cost, no wastage of anything. In fact, your baby is getting the direct fresh milk from you with the right temperature, with all the nutrients and all the sufficient fluid your baby need. So that is why this theme is kept this year 2020 to support breastfeeding for healthier planet. So this was my review. You have to face the challenges, I know, regarding, but do believe on your willpower, on your baby and your body, and nature will definitely is going to help you out. So let's listen what other mothers have to say on this.
I love to nurse my baby because I can nurture and comfort her at the same time. Plus, I got everything she needs anytime, anywhere.
While breastfeeding may not seem the right choice for every parent, but it is the best choice for every baby.
A kid is a blessing to a woman, and I hope you will agree with this. And what makes it special is this breastfeeding or nurturing. I believe breastfeeding or nurturing is something which is not possible to describe in words. This is something a woman can only feel when she is delivering it to a kid. I mean, this warmth, this affection, everything is simply out of the world. The world of a kid is only around his mom, and how does the mom get to know the kid is hungry? I mean, everything is just out of the world. No doubt, a woman, a man, I mean, both of the parents share a very eternal bond with the kid. But what makes it special for a woman is this breastfeeding. It really makes the mom comes a lot closer to the kid, which is not possible for a male, I feel. And the relation between a mom and a kid is simply not describable in a word. I mean, simply not possible. So let's count on this blessing ever and forever.
Guys, today I am going to share something that every mother, a new mother and a mother knows. It's about breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is very important both for the child and the mother. There is no meal, there is no substitute for breastfeeding. Yeah, if some mother is not able to, then in that case you can provide formula milk, but still breastfeeding is an ultimate option for your child's overall development, to build his or her immune system. And it's not only important for your child, it's equally important for the mother also. It helps you to recover from that pain and the pressures that your body has gone through after childbirth. It helps you to recover very fast. It also prevents you from ovarian cancer, risk of ovarian cancer in your future. So I suggest that all the mothers who can or who are able to should go for breastfeeding for the child at least for 6 months.
आज हम बात कर रहे हैं ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग पर. आफ्टर बेबी मुझे बहुत डिप्रेशन सा होने लगा था. फिर जब मैंने ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्सेशन मिलने लगा. और थैंक यू कैश, थैंक यू मदरहुड.
I do breastfeeding for my child because it is good for her health and it saves the planet too.
So as you all have seen, all the mothers around, I found them, I have discussed with them, they are supporting breastfeeding and they have breastfeeded their baby for around on an average of 2 years, and they all think it is a climate smart decision which every mother is bound to give to their baby. I know there is a special bond between father and the baby, but the mother and baby is always very close, and this is one of the important reason which brings a strong bonding between a baby and the mother, and that is breastfeeding. So I hope you understood the complete process, and you will definitely go and feed your baby as much as possible. Exclusively 6 months of breastfeeding is required as told by the World Health Organization. You will always love to stretch it longer, as long as possible. So thank you for watching. Celebrate this week every year. Feed your baby as much as possible. Till then, happy parenting, happy life. Stay healthy, stay happy.